Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best nurse pocket organizer is probably one of the most essential tools a healthcare professional can have, streamlining workflow and ensuring critical supplies are always within reach during demanding shifts. Imagine effortlessly accessing your pens, scissors, tape, and other vital instruments without breaking concentration or fumbling through pockets, ultimately enhancing patient care and personal efficiency. This compact yet capacious accessory is designed to keep everything organized and readily available, transforming a cluttered uniform into a functional command center for nurses on the go. Number 5. Mr. Pen Baby Diaper Caddy Organizer, Gray, Medium. Introducing a must-have baby necessity designed to make your life as a parent easier. It's perfect for storing all your baby's essentials. Designed with stylish gray colors to complement any nursery. It offers ample room for diapers, wipes, creams, and other essentials for easy changes. Keep all your baby's essentials organized and within reach. No more searching for diapers or wipes. Featuring 6 convenient side pockets, it's ideal for storing ointments, lotions, pacifiers, or clips. With generous compartments, it ensures easy access to everything your baby needs. It measures 12.5 by 10 by 6.3 inches. This multifunctional basket features durable handles for easy carrying. It can also be folded for compact storage when you're on the go. What we like? This organizer offers versatile storage for baby essentials and can even double as a car organizer. Its portable and foldable design makes it perfect for travel. If you are a new parent looking for a stylish and practical way to keep diapers, wipes, and creams organized both at home and on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This organizer has multiple compartments for pens, scissors, tape, and other supplies. It fits perfectly in my scrub pocket and keeps everything easily accessible. The durable material has held up well to daily use. Number 4. Kangapak Nurse Fanny Pack. Introducing the Kangapak Nurse Fanny Pack, designed for ultimate organization. Keep all your essential tools and supplies neatly arranged and easily accessible throughout your shift. This waist organizer is perfect for students, practitioners, and medical professionals. Its thoughtful design ensures you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Crafted with durability in mind, this tool bag is built to withstand the demands of a busy medical environment. Multiple compartments offer versatile storage solutions. Wear it comfortably all day long. The adjustable strap ensures a secure and personalized fit, allowing you to move freely without worry. Make your work easier and more efficient. This fanny pack is the ideal companion for any healthcare professional on the go. What we like? This fanny pack is designed with numerous compartments to keep all your essential tools easily accessible. Its waist-worn design ensures your hands remain free. If you are a student, practitioner, or medical professional who needs quick access to tools like pens, scissors, and more while on the move, this is the ideal solution for efficient workflow. What people say. It has multiple pockets to hold various items like pens, scissors, tape, and a small notebook. The organizer is made of durable material and has reinforced stitching, ensuring it can withstand daily use. It fits comfortably in a scrub pocket without being bulky or falling out. Number 3. EMI Nurse Pocket Organizer 4-Piece Kit, Pink. Introducing the EMI Nurse Pocket Organizer Kit. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for efficient patient care. Keep your essential tools neatly organized and within easy reach. This kit is designed to streamline your workflow. You'll receive a pocket organizer, lister scissors, an LED pen light, and a chart pen. All in a stylish pink color. Crafted for durability and reliability, these tools are built to withstand the demands of your profession. This kit is the perfect companion for any nurse, ensuring you have the right instruments at your fingertips. Elevate your daily practice with this all-in-one solution. It's designed for comfort, convenience, and efficiency. What we like? This kit provides a comprehensive set of essential nursing tools, including a pocket organizer, scissors, pen light, and chart pen, all in one convenient package. It's designed to fit neatly into your scrub pocket. If you're looking for a ready-to-go solution that includes all the fundamental items you'll need for daily tasks, this all-in-one kit is a fantastic starting point. What people say. This is a great organizer. It holds a lot of supplies and is very durable. I love how many pockets this organizer has. It makes it easy to keep all my pens, scissors, and other tools organized. The design is very practical, with multiple compartments for different items. It fits perfectly in my scrub pocket. Number 2. EMI Medical Nylon 5-Pocket Nurse Scrub Organizer. This organizer features 5 spacious pockets, perfect for keeping your essential items close at hand. It's designed for maximum utility and convenience. A sturdy belt loop is integrated on the back, allowing you to easily attach it to your belt for secure carrying. Please note, the belt is not included. Keep all your necessities neatly organized and accessible. It fits perfectly inside your scrub pockets or can be kept conveniently at your side. This is an indispensable tool for nurses and all medical professionals. It streamlines your workflow by keeping everything you need within easy reach. Measuring 6 inches by 5 inches, it offers ample storage without being bulky. Its compact size ensures it won't get in your way. What we like? With 5 dedicated pockets, this organizer offers substantial space for carrying your essential nursing supplies. It can be worn inside scrub pockets or attached to a belt for alternative carrying. If you prefer a straightforward, lightweight organizer that provides ample room for your necessities and offers flexibility in how you carry it, this option is a great fit. What people say. This organizer is perfect for holding my pens, scissors, tape, and other small essentials. It has multiple compartments that keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. The durable material ensures it will last a long time, and it fits comfortably in my scrub pocket. Number 1. EMI Nylon 5-Pocket Nurse Scrub Organizer, Black. This scrub organizer features 5 spacious pockets, perfect for holding all your essential items close at hand. A convenient belt loop is attached to the back, allowing you to easily secure it to your belt for added convenience. Keep your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. It fits perfectly in your scrub pockets or can be kept at your side. This is an essential tool designed specifically for nurses and other medical professionals who need to keep their supplies organized. Measuring 6 inches by 5 inches, it's the perfect size to carry everything you need without being bulky. What we like? This organizer features 5 pockets, perfect for keeping your nursing essentials neatly arranged. Made from durable nylon, it's built to last and comes in a classic black color. If you need a reliable and no-fuss organizer that fits easily into your scrubs and maintains a professional look, this black version is a solid and practical choice. What people say. It holds all my pens, scissors, tape, and even a small notepad. The design is very practical, with multiple compartments that keep everything organized and easily accessible. It fits perfectly in my scrub pocket without being bulky. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.